Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we'll be looking at how fast can you be able to learn Python programming, or how long does it take for you to be able to become a Python programmer. So without wasting much time, let us get started and start our video. And why should we learn Python? So Python is one of widely considered among the easiest programming languages outside there to learn. If you're interested in programming languages, then Python is a road or a good place to start. And it was one of the widely used programming languages outside there. Basically, Python can be used in almost every sector. That is where you can be able to use maybe Python programming. We have statistical analysis, we have data visualization, machine learning, task automation, web development, just name it. Almost everything you can be able to do it with Python, which is a good programming language. So, how long will it take for you as an individual to be able to learn, or how long does it take to be able to learn Python programming? So, basically, this is a question that doesn't have a straightforward answer, but in this video, I'll try as much as possible to elaborate on the same. So, the first thing is the previous programming experience. In this case, we are looking at, have you ever been a programmer before? For example, do you have any experience on any other programming language? For example, have you programmed maybe in Java, maybe in C++, maybe in JavaScript, or any other programming language that you have been able to use before? And how long have you, and how experienced are you in other programming languages? For example, if you have a lot of knowledge or experience in other programming languages, that means that it will be very easy and very fast for you to learn Python as a programming language. If now you are a beginner, it means that you will take a little bit longer to learn Python programming. The next thing is learning method. How do you learn Python? For example, if you are learning, are you learning use books, tutorials as a group or as an individual, or how are you learning that Python programming? There are some people who like learning maybe with the books, and they seem that that is the best way for them to go. Then that means that it will work for you. If you are that kind of a person that cannot use a book to learn, maybe you are using videos, tutorials, YouTube videos, and so on and so forth to be able to learn Python programming. The next thing is time devoted. How much time do you dedicate on Python programming or learning Python? For example, if you're taking 1 hour a day to learn Python, it will take you much longer compared to the person who is taking maybe 3 or 4 hours a day. And also the person who is taking 6 hours a day will learn much faster compared to the person who is taking 4 hours. So the time that you take or the time that you devote to learn Python programming also determines how long it will take for you to be able to learn Python programming. The next thing is your understanding, and in the case of understanding, it means that how much fast can you be able to understand the concepts. Thank you so much.